Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your QR code within Telegram to share your contact information. It's actually quite a straightforward process when you know where to find the settings. So as I get into this, smash the like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay, guys, here I have my iPhone. The first thing we need to do is load up Telegram. We're just going to click on Telegram there. And then the first thing we need to do is actually navigate down to the settings area just at the bottom. And then from here, you've got my profile. We can click on that. And then inside here, you can find all of your contact-based information. And then there's a little QR code next to your username. Click on that, and there you go. Now, this is obviously all blurred out for the purpose of today's video. I can't be having a load of people just adding me on Telegram, for example, but that is essentially where you would go ahead and find your Telegram QR code, which you can then share with other people to share your contact information. There are also some little graphics down here at the bottom, which allows you to change what they look like and all that kind of good stuff. So you can mess around with those, and so you can change how the QR code looks and feels and all that kind of stuff. I kind of like the diamond. We're going to keep the diamond there, and then you can click on share QR code and scan QR code at the bottom. If I click on share QR code, it gives up the ability to then just share this QR code with your contacts or airdrop it and things like that. But ultimately, most people are just going to bring up the QR code like this, and then they're going to show it to someone in person, and then they're going to basically share their contact information that way. And guys, it is honestly as easy as that to find your QR code and share your contact information within Telegram. If this has been useful and informative, then make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.